If the mask doesn't inflate, don't worry, oxygen will flow, so just breathe normally. A life jacket is located underneath your seat. If required, move from its case and place it over your head. Pass the strap around your waist and clip securely in the front. To tighten, pull the straps. Once outside the aircraft, inflate by pulling down sharply on the red toggle. You must not inflate your life jacket within the aircraft. For further inflation, lower to the mouthpiece. There is a light which automatically illuminates on contact with water and a whistle for attracting attention. Infant and spare adult life jackets are on board, which are through a handout if required. In the seat pocket in front of you, there is a safety information card. Take a moment to read this card as it explains the emergency brace position and when to brace, as well as other important safety information. It is a requirement to follow all illuminated signs and crew members' instructions. This is a non-smoking flight, including the use of e-cigarettes. The lavatories are fitted with smoke detectors and alarms. We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times as needed. To get ready to take off, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. Your seat back is upright with the armrest down. Your tray table is locked into position and your window blind is open. Please check that your cabin baggage is placed underneath the seat in front of you so the aisles and emergency exits are completely clear. The cabin is to be secured during takeoff, landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Small electronic devices can be held or placed in your seat pocket. Larger devices, such as laptops, must be securely stowed to both takeoff and the charging port. The cabin lights will dim to take off. If you need a reading light, you'll find one on the panel above you. Now it's time to enjoy your Bonza flight, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the on-demand menu and entertainment via the flight order app.
Broken in the world.